Hello there. In this picture today we'll be drawing Bambi and Thumper. And as you can see, I've already started on the eye for you, and we'll be going straight on with the cheek and his ear. With his eye already done, it gives me a reference as to how large his ears should be. And I'm always looking at what I've already previously done to give me a reference as to the sizes. And the position is to where they go as well. So there I'm sort of trying to work out where to put the next bit, this nose. That's his other eye put in, and now we're going to do his nose, which is a little bit of a square with a highlight in it. Draw it in his mouth. And we're going to come up and do the rest of his head and other ear as well. Once that's done, we can now go on to his neck and the rest of his body. It's always getting the face done properly, because that defines who you're drawing. And because I've also got his head already done, it gives me an idea as to the size of his body. So we can now use his head as a reference as to the size for his body and legs. So there, I was just trying to work out in what position to put it in. Don't forget to put the hoofs in at the bottom. Now that's not a mistake there, I've just got myself ready for his other leg. Which comes down in between there. Let's not forget his tail. There you go. And that's Bambi for you. So let's have a go at Thumper. Starting off with his paw, and then go on to his nose and cheek. And because I've got the paw in already, it gives me an idea of the size of his cheek and eyes and nose. Because we want this to be smaller than Bambi. So we put in the size of his head in here. Starts from his nose and goes round his eye. Then we come down to the rest of his mouth, and I'm putting in just a few dots to give me an idea where I'm going. Colour that in, get it out of the way. Now we're putting in his shoulder, so we've got an idea where his arm will be. And we come back up to his head and put in some ears. And the other one's a bit easier than this one. Yeah. Trying to define where his arms goes now. And here I'm trying to determine the position for the rest of his body and the size I need to go for. Because he's got a large foot that is facing us and a small one at the back. And we want to make sure that this foot here is a little bit larger because it is right in front of us, and he wouldn't be Thumper without his foot, would he? I'm now going to colour these in with colour pencils, but I'm going to speed this up for you so it just takes time otherwise. So I want to take this opportunity now while it's going is to say thank you for watching if you have gotten this far, and if you like it, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, as it will help my channel grow and improve. And I thank you for this, and I thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Many thanks.